A lot of people have been asking me the same question lately. Is the La Crescenta housing market heading down? My honest answer, no. But there's a real shift happening this summer, and I want to walk you through exactly what that is. I'm James Yu with Think Real Estate, and this is your August La Crescenta market update. Let's start with home prices. The median sale price came in at $1,427,000 in July. That's down slightly from June, but still about 3% higher than this time last year. At that price, you're typically looking at a three-bedroom home somewhere in the 1,600 to 1,800 square foot range here in La Crescenta. If you're curious what your home might be worth in today's market, go to the link below for a free instant home valuation. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. 26 new homes hit the market in July, tied for the most of any month we've seen in over a year. A lot of that comes down to sellers who are sitting on the fence this spring. Between the economy and everything going on with the Iran war, plenty of people decided to wait it out and try listing this summer instead. And buyers, they didn't disappear, but we did see a real summer slowdown, with a lot of them pausing to travel or heading out of town. With the World Cup happening, open houses were noticeably slower, and homes I expected to sell quickly ended up taking longer to find a buyer. Some are still sitting on the market today. Here's what's really going on. Buyers are price sensitive right now. They're comparing every listing carefully, and they're letting overpriced homes sit. As of end of July, 17 out of 37 homes on the market here have been sitting for more than 30 days, and 9 sellers actually reduced their price in July. But this is a part I want you to really hear. That doesn't mean nothing's selling. Homes in great location that are priced right and prepped well are still moving fast no matter what season it is. Let me give you a real example. I put in an offer for a buyer on a home on Pickens Canyon. That home got 14 really strong offers and ended up selling for $575,000 over the asking price. My buyers didn't get it, but that's how much demand is still out there. So what's really happening is a split market. Overpriced or underprepped homes are sitting and getting price cuts. Well-priced and well-prepared homes in good locations are still creating that real competition. So if you're thinking about selling, my advice is simple. Know your competition and be the home that sells, not the one that helps other home sales. That means prepping it right and pricing it smart from day one. It's going to be tough to match the numbers sellers got back in the spring, but pricing and preparation are still what separate a fast and successful sale from the home that just sits. If you're planning to sell this year, talk to your realtor about how buyers are shopping right now and what's actually working. Now, if you're buying, this is a great window. July was one of those months where buyers who stayed active actually landed great deals. More homes to choose from than they've had all year, and real room to negotiate on anything that's been sitting. I would expect that to hold into August. Just don't sleep on the good ones. If something checks every box, good location, good condition, priced right, be ready to move fast because buyers are still competing hard for those. So here's a bottom line. This is not a market heading down. This is La Crescenta doing what it does every summer, slowing down a little bit before picking back up. Typically, we see things pick back up late August through October, just not as hot as spring. If you want to stay ahead of these shifts, follow and subscribe for my monthly market update. And if you're a homeowner here wondering what your home might be worth today, go to the link below for a free instant home valuation. It just takes a couple of minutes. And as always, if you're thinking about buying, selling, or just want to talk strategy, let's connect. I'm always happy to chat.